Hello, hello! Welcome back to Red Ted Art and our super simple Christmas card series, a special series showing you how to make greeting cards super quick, super fun in under 5 minutes. In fact, the majority of these cards will only take 2 minutes to make and they are so cute. And if you choose to make them in bulk, i.e. 5, 10 or 12 at one go, they're even faster and even more efficient to make. So this is our little Rudolph, super cute, super easy. Come on, let's take a look and see how he's made. For our lovely Rudolph, we'll need some brown card, some tan, a red nose, some cheeks and some eyes. Now I didn't have a brown card, so I used black card and stuck on brown paper. But to be honest, you could probably make this Rudolph using black card if that's easier. Or, it's literally a question of just having a rummage around and seeing what you have at home. So the first thing I'm going to do is create like a Rudolph snout, I guess. Is it a snout or a muzzle or nozzle? I don't know. Do a nice big oval. That looks great already. Then a smaller oval. Some little rosy cheeks, optional of course, but I do like my little cheeks. And then finally some little eyes. Let's not make them too big because I want Rudolph to be super cute. Black eyes would be really nice, but my brown's quite dark, so I don't think you can see them so well. So we'll just have to do it with white ones. But that's okay. Let's stick everything in place and then add our final little pupils when we're done. I think that looks good. Oh, that's a big blob of glue that came off. Don't need quite that much, but we do need a little bit more here. And put the eyes in place. And we're almost done. So that took less than 3 minutes to make. And I think it's a super cute Rudolph card. Now if you're feeling inspired, you can of course add some little antlers to the top, which you'd have to fold over and fold down if you're posting this, but I think this is so cute just the way it is. Remember, this joins our set of super simple Christmas cards. These super simple Christmas cards are perfect if you're making Christmas cards en masse, so for example in the classroom or if you're sending a lot in the post. And I just wanted to point out this paper projects book is all about simple crafts. So for example, if you like this Rudolph, you can go, oh, the page right open, you can go to the back page here where we've got some DIY Santa gift bags. You learn how to make the gift bag and then you decorate it as a snowman, as a Santa, or now as Rudolph. So these super simple cards that I'm showing you in this special series work really well together with this book, and that's sort of the ethos of the book, is how to create super simple, cute stuff that you can really enjoy and give and make use of. So that's my new book. Find out about it down below or in the iCards. I hope you really like it. And yeah, keep watching. Check out the other videos for super simple makes. Have a go. Keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.